everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. Today I'm converting my 8.1 big block into solar power. No, I'm just kidding. This is my makeshift. We're getting ready to go on a trip, and this is my little makeshift solar generator. So I'm creating 2.2 amps at 18.1 volts from the panel. I'm putting 2.9 amps in. We got 13.2 volts in the battery. My wife's in there cleaning up. I have two ICCNexergy batteries. These are 40 amp hour LiFePO, which is lithium iron phosphate. So they're super safe, super stable, super light. You can get bigger capacity batteries in lead acid, but they're massively heavy. This fits in a little Plano Sportsman tub. That is an Ever MPPT charge controller down there. It's 40 amps, which is way overkill for what I have right now, but not overkill for what I need. I have an Edicoa, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, our inverter. This is a 1500 watt, sorry, there we go, 1500 watt rated, 3000 watt surge. It is more than enough to run this is actually my nephew's camper, Trenton. Thanks, Trenton, for letting me use it. That's enough to run the lights and stuff in here. You don't have any lights on in here?
I don't. I didn't eat it.
Peanuts in the dark. Coconuts in the dark. Everybody's in the dark. Turn on some lights for all the people of YouTube. So yeah, it runs everything in here. The fans, the AC will like kill it flat in like 3 seconds. Coconut, you need to stay up there. So the fans are kind of off limits, the AC is off limits, but as far as lights and being able to run our TV, we can run TV and Xbox off of it. And since Trenton's camper here is a 6.5 foot model and Clifford's an 8 foot bed, that little tote that I have it in to make it a kind of a portable solar generator, that actually fits in the dead space here, the 1.5 foot that's left over. So it's working out pretty nicely. I'll probably bring you guys back and update you when I have it finished up, but for now, a single 100 watt panel. I'm rambling a bit, I might have to edit this up, but let me cut back for a moment and just give you a price breakdown. This is an $80 HQST 100 watt solar panel off of Amazon. These are like $15 cables from Boosh RV. I think they're 15 bucks. The inverter was $168. It's way overkill for the camper. The two batteries were used. They were $55 each. So what do we got? 190 plus 168, 258. My Ever and charge controller was another $200. So I have $458 into everything that you see here. That has about the capacity of a Goal Zero 1000 or like a Yeti 1000 solar generator for like half the price. Plus I have a panel. Plus I have way more overhead, so I can add like 4 more panels to this at 12 volts if I wanted to. And I'm not stuck using their panels. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this. I'll give you guys a parts list in the description if you're interested. And this is just my short weekend update video. Until next time on the Driveway Engineer, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.